I want you to make a decision today to be great. I want you to make a decision today to be powerful. I want you to make a decision today to be world changers. I want you to make a decision today to work on your character. We celebrate the wrong stuff. We celebrate who's verified. We celebrate how many people got followers. We celebrate the comments. How about we start celebrating character? How about we start celebrating integrity, the things that you can't really see? I get frustrated when I travel to schools and they say, yeah, there's bullying going on. Oh, our kids are picking. I'm like, y'all still, everybody, listen to me. Public service announcement. Everybody knows by now that bullies got their own insecurities. If you're a bully and you teasing other people in person or on Instagram and you making fun of them so you feel better, like everybody knows you're dealing with a sickness. Who does that? What kind of human does that wants to tease and pick and clown other people so that they feel better? No, that's not who we are. You gotta ask yourself, what do you want to be? You want to be the person that's preying on others and taking advantage and laughing so you feel cool and you feel better about yourself? Or do you want to be the person that says, not on my watch? How dare you think you're better than somebody else because of what your parents bought you? You all have no clue the pain that some of your classmates are dealing with on the inside. You're sitting right next to somebody right now. They smile and they make it seem like everything is cool. And you have no clue what they're dealing with on the inside. You have no clue what trauma. You have no clue what pain. You have no clue what hardships they're dealing with at home. And they come to school and they just want to be left alone. But you all have the power to shift something inside their lives. You all have the power to speak life to them, to encourage them, to uplift them. Some of you all at the school, you know you got influence. You know you got a little cool about you. You got influence. You know what? You have the power to make somebody's day. You go sit next to that person that's by themselves during lunch. They're going to feel seen. They're going to feel heard. They're going to feel valuable. You got the power. How about you really show us how strong and powerful you are, right? That's what I want. I want you to take on that type of energy. We're talking about character. That's what our country does. That's what we stand for. We say, not on my watch. I'm not going to let that happen on my watch. That's not cool. That's not nice. That's not acceptable. When we speak up, when we stand up for other people, like that's when we show the greatness that's inside of us. I want y'all to show that greatness.